Okay, you guys, I'm currently under a tornado warning right now. Holy crap. Oh my, look at this cloud. Oh my God. Guys, this is crazy right now. Holy crap. Oh my God. I don't think this is gonna drop a tornado, but that is rotating right now in my area. Holy crap. Look at the wind out there. Oh my God. Guys, this is actually my first time seeing a tornado, a rotation in my area for the first time ever in my life. This is crazy. Holy crap. Oh my goodness, guys. Holy cow. Oh my God. This is wild, guys.